Now that we're warmed up, all right, Kelley Jackson back in the house.
Number 2.
We're gonna crush it. We're gonna make a meal that's so good you'll wanna lick your finger.
Come right back for some Paleo chicken Tinga.
Yeah. Keep it paleo. All right, so we've got this concept of what I like in a complete meal is a kind of meat, potatoes, and sauce.
I'm with you.
Sound good?
Yep.
Protein, carbs, and not really fat, but sauce. Protein, carbs, and sauce.
Okay.
So we're gonna go with, we've got some pre-cooked yams, that'll be our carbs. Protein's gonna be like a braised style Mexican super awesome thing. And then we'll just whip together a quick sauce at the end.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds great.
All right, so here we've got our crock pot. I'm gonna keep it super simple. We've got 4 pounds of chicken breast already in here.
It's a big chicken breast.
Big chicken breast. Go ahead and put these 2 carrots. You can kind of tuck these in. You could even break them if you want to kind of get them.
No dicing.
Yeah, we don't have to even cut. That's what's kind of nice about this one.
Just once? I can't break that.
Yeah, that's fine. Just set that guy in there, okay? And then onion, let's go with this guy. You get into that one for me. We just need to skin off and cut it in half.
Do I start with the cutting it in half?
Let me help you.
I know you have like a technique behind this.
There we
Yeah,
go
that's
here.
exactly what I was gonna do.
If you cut it that way, then it's a little bit easier to peel. And then it sets you up if you are gonna cut it. But the way that you were gonna do it would have worked totally fine because all we're gonna do is just cook this baby overnight.
You're just throwing it in there.
Yeah. So we got that. If you want to peel that second half, we're going to use that in a little bit. Give me a nice healthy pinch of salt, kind of spread over here. Maybe 1 more of those.
My pinches are smaller than yours.
Oh,
Because my pinchers are smaller.
that's right. It's all good. And then a little 10 sprigs of cilantro. Okay, now water. Go ahead if you want to grab that one on the right. We're going to pour water in here. It's kind of like a chicken stock, chicken broth. We're going for shredded chicken.
Covering it?
Stop right about a little bit more up the top of that carrot, maybe. Right about there. How much is left? So we're going to have 40 ounces of water. We're going to put this on low for 12 hours and let her rip. Okay, magically, boom, we've got our chicken done. What do you think of that?
Looks good.
Looks good,
done.
looks cooked. Onion cooked through, translucent onion like we were talking about. Okay, we're gonna pull these out and then we're gonna shred them. It's a little bit warm, but all we're gonna do right now is just shred this up so that everything looks, this is really good. Kelley's doing great. Looks kind of like that. All the chicken's shredded. We got a pan preheated over here. I'm gonna have Kelley show us her saute skills in a second. You wanna go ahead and give a squeeze of oil into that pan? We're gonna julienne 1.5 onions. We can go ahead and start with that in there. Maybe give a little pinch of salt in there. Pinch of salt. And then how about I'll help you here. Let's get this going. This is just some granulated garlic. We'll go 1 teaspoon. And then some chipotle powder. You have to regulate your heat with this one, all right? It's pretty hot, pretty fast. So we'll just start with that. Does that look good or what?
It smells good.
Oh, great. Okay, now we're gonna add our chicken.
All of it. Throw it in there.
If you want to kind of fold those onions in and around and up. And then I'm gonna use some of our broth, stock, whatever you want to call it. This way. You can see when we add the broth, it kind of opens up that chili and like spreads that color out. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of color. Doing good there. And then for our salsa, I'm gonna work that at the same time. Tomato puree. Bring in some of our broth again. We'll whisk this up. A little chipotle in here. And then I'm gonna pinch of salt. Cool guys, there it is, super simple. Chicken's done, salsa's ready. We're gonna grab our yams and we're gonna plate this up. All right, Kelley, good job on the plate up.
Thank you.
Awesome. We plated up as you might eat it immediately, and then here, kind of for a meal prep standpoint, Kelley Jackson in the house. Did an awesome job.
Thank
I'm
you.
Paleo Nick. This has been our Chipotle Chicken Tinga. And as always, we're here helping you
Keep it paleo.